Hello everyone, my name is Allira Potter, my pronouns are she and they, and I'm a proud Yorta Yorta woman. This video, I'm going to be taking you through how to create your own vision board. A vision board is something that I love to create when I'm feeling a little bit like overwhelmed with where I'm at in life. So I'm excited to take you folks through it all. So a vision board can be whatever you want it to be. It can be done on a piece of paper, which I will show you, or you can do it on your iPhone. But essentially a vision board is something that you are visualizing to do with your life, whether that's next week, next month, in a couple of years. It's sort of like a little bit of a motivational tool for you. So this is what a vision board looks like. Like I said, a big piece of paper with words and pictures to help inspire you for the future. So now this is the fun bit. I'm going to take you through the things that you will need to create your vision board. And also I'm going to take you through how I started creating mine. So I like to use things like old magazines to cut out. You'll also need some scissors, some textures, and some glue. If you don't have any of that, do not stress. You can always use the notepad that's in your iPhone. So when I'm creating my vision board, I like to set up my space, light candles, have music playing, and just make it my own. So as you can see, the vision board, I've sort of started, and I'm putting like certain words on there that inspire me for whatever is happening in my life. So it could be a career goal that I'm wanting to do, or for instance, I'm wanting to potentially move. So I'm putting like pictures of houses and pictures of like families and things like that on there. All things that resonate with me. And this is my vision board. So you can see it's sort of half done. So I can come back to it whenever I like. There's no rush. And I like to put the vision board somewhere as soon as I see it when I walk in the house. So this is at the front of my home. As soon as I walk in, it's there. It's staring at me. I'm inspired. I'm excited. And I'm ready for whatever is coming my way. So that is how you create the vision board. Remember, it is yours. There is no right and there is no wrong. So you can put absolutely anything that you want to pop on there that's going to help you inspire you for that next chapter in your life, which is really, really cool.